Hello students, this is Mr. Zamaripa, and today we're going to go over the organelles of the cell. If you remember, organelles are the organs that are inside the cells, whether it's an animal cell or a plant cell. They all have organs like humans have organs. All right, so let's go ahead and begin with the first organ, and that is going to be organelle. That's going to be the membrane. Now, you can't read this right here, it's kind of small, but I'll read it for you. It says, look for the red outline organelle to show you what the membrane looks like. So the membrane would be this red line that is around this animal cell, and the red line that's around this plant cell. Now, the membrane holds all the organelles. So it's the area that holds all the organelles. It has a function. It can let things in like food. Animal cells need glucose. And it can let things out like waste. It needs to get rid of carbon dioxide for animal cells. For plant cells, they take in carbon dioxide and their waste is oxygen. So the air that you breathe, oxygen that you breathe, is basically plant cell waste. All right, let's take a look at some other pictures of what this organelle might look like. You might see it drawn irregular, like this one right here. By the way, what would that be, animal or plant cell? If you said animal, you are correct. A plant cell would look more boxy, like this one right here. So the membrane on the plant cell is not going to be the outside line, but it's going to be the next line. So you got to have to look really carefully to trace that line. It's going to be the inside line, the one that holds all the organelles. And then you might see some other slides that look like this. Now, an analogy and function for membrane would be a membrane is like a door, because it lets food and waste in and out the house. So when you buy groceries, you bring them in your door, and when you throw out the trash, you got to open the door and let it right back out. All right, well, that's it for membrane.